Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can hyperlink spaces instead of just hyperlinking single images or words, text. So we're going to be working with this slide that I have 5 essential places that I want my students to be able to click. So I'm going to go into editing mode here so that I can show you how this works. Now, in order to do this most efficiently, there are a few things you're going to want. You're obviously going to want your PowerPoint slide or whatever document it is that you're working in. I also have down here in my speaker notes all 5 of my hyperlinks that I want to connect to this slide with these shortcut buttons. You might just have the not Word documents, Google documents open in different tabs. Anything like that is fine. You don't have to have them in the speaker notes like I do. Okay, so what we are going to do is I could hyperlink the words finding evidence and developing commentary to the document that is that activity for my students. I could hyperlink the image I have here. I could hyperlink the circle. But these are all unique items that are on this page. And what I really want is for my students not to have a lot of trouble figuring out where to click. I want them to be able to click basically anywhere in this space and have that hyperlink pop up. So the way that I'm going to do this, once the slide is completely done, like I'm not going to edit anything, I am just adding hyperlinks now to finish it. I'm going to go to my shapes. I am going to choose a rectangle. And I'm going to draw the rectangle over top of this area that I want the students to be able to click. I could keep it nice and tight and small. I'm going to go ahead just because I want my students to have maximum clickage space available. I'm going to build that out so it goes all the way. So anywhere in this gray box that they click, it will take them to my hyperlink. I'm going to select my copy link or my copy of the evidence and commentary URL, copy it. If you had it in a separate tab, you would go to share. Then I'm going to select my box now and hit Control K to get my link to pop up. I'm going to paste that link in and hit apply. So now this gray box will always go to that, let me slide it up so you can see it. This box will always go to that document that I have. So now you're probably thinking, well, that's very nice, but you can't see anything. So what I'm going to do is go into my fill color and borders, and I'm going to change both of these to be transparent. By doing that, it creates kind of this layer over top of my slide, and this layer will always take them, when they click on it, to that hyperlink. Now I can copy by hitting Control C and paste to get another one. So see, I still have my one there. I'm going to unlink this one. I'm doing this because my sizes are the same, pretty close to. It just saves me a couple of steps here. Then I'm going to copy my scavenger hunt URL. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select the image. It's invisible now. Hit Control K to get my link pop up, Control V to paste it, and then hit apply. And I can go through and do this for each so that when my students have this published slide, notice that my cursor changes from an arrow to that hand. Anywhere in this section, it stays a hand. Anywhere in this section, it stays a hand. When I move out of that, it changes. And that indicates that when they click, it will take them to that document. I hope you find that helpful as you start hyperlinking more than just text and the images that you want your students to use.